students, my name is Akshita G. Baliga, Assistant Professor, Department of ENC, Canara Engineering College, Bantwal. In this lecture, we'll discuss few questions on data communication and networking. Question 1. Routing is done in A. Transport layer, B. Data link layer, C. Physical layer, D. Network layer. Answer is D. Routing is done in the network layer because this layer decides the destination address based on the routing table and also has different algorithms implemented to find the shortest path to reach the destination. How many layers are there in OSI model? A 6, B 7, C 4, D 8. Answer is B, that is 7 layers. There are 7 layers in OSI model such as application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical, in which switching resources should be dedicated for the entire duration of data transfer. A. Circuit switching, B. Packet switching, C. Message switching, D. Data switching. Answer is A. Circuit switching. Circuit switching is a connection oriented. The resources needs to be reserved during the setup phase. The resources remain dedicated for the entire duration of data transfer until teardown phase. Fourth question. Bridge operation is in dash of internet module. A. Application and session layer, B. Network and transport layer, C. Physical and data link layer, D. Presentation and session layer. Answer is C. As a physical layer device, it regenerates the signal it receives. As a data link layer device, the bridge can check the physical and MAC addresses contained in the frame. Fifth question. Internet is connected to telephone network by A. Gateway, B. Bridges, C. Routers, D. Repeaters. Answer is C. A router is a hardware device that allows to connect several computers and other devices to a single internet connection known as home network. Sixth question. FDM is a analog technique, B. digital technique, C. hybrid technique, D. discrete technique. Answer is A. FDM is analog multiplexing technique that combines analog signals. In FDM, the entire bandwidth is divided into different frequency bands, so it's usually a straight analog transmission. There is no need of analog to digital converter. Seventh question. Which is a false statement in mesh topology? A. Guarantees that each connection carry its data. B. Robust. C. Advantages of privacy and security. D. Presence of hub. Answer is D. Mesh topology has connections on one-to-one devices. There is no presence of hub. Eighth question. Ethernet is most widely used in A. LAN, B. WAN, C. MAN, D. computers. Answer is A. It is widely used in LAN, defined by 802.3, widely used in LAN because it is easy to understand, implement, maintain and allows low cost implementation. Ninth question. IPv4 is A. 32-bit, B. 64-bit, C. 128-bit, D. 48-bit. Answer A. IPv4 is 32-bit binary pattern, each byte with a dot. 10th question. A transmitter can transmit the baud rate of 500 BD and 8 different symbols are used. How many bits are transmitted per second? A. 1000, B. 4000, C. 2000, D. 1500. Answer is B. bits per second is equal to baud into number of bits per baud, which is equal to 500 into 8, which is equal to 4000 bits per second. 11th question, which of the following spans largest distance among category of computer networks? A. LAN, B. MAN, C. WAN, D. Ethernet. Answer is WAN. Explanation. Wide area network is geographically dispersed collections of LAN. 12th question. The device which helps in amplification of signal is A. Repeater, B. Bridge, C. Router, D. Gateway. Answer is A. Repeaters frequently amplifies the signal. 13th question. Which multiplexing technique shifts each signal to a different carrier frequency? A. FDM, B. TDM, C. both A and B, D. none of the above. Answer is A. In FDM, signals generated by each sending device modulate different carrier. 14th question. If there are 10 nodes connected by mesh topology, then number of cables or lines required is A. 40, B. 45, C. 42, D. 50. Answer is B. Number of links in mesh topology is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, where n is the number of nodes, which is equal to 10 into 9 by 2, which is equal to 45. 15th question. The IP address 125.255.255.255 belongs to A. Class B, B. Class C, C. Class A, D. Class D. Answer is C. If the first byte is from 0 to 127, it is class A. 16th question. MAN stands for A. Mass area network, B. Man area network, C. Metropolitan area network, D. Main area network. Answer is C. MAN is nothing but metropolitan area. 17th question. The circuit switching that is most suitable for computer communication. A. Circuit switching, B. Packet switching, C. Message switching, D. none of the above. Answer is B. In packet switching, packets can find their own paths to their destination address without the need of dedication. 18th question. Layer 3 from bottom in TCP IP is A. Physical layer, B. Application layer, C. Transport layer, D. Internet layer. Answer is D. The layers from bottom in TCP IP are physical, data link layer, network layer, transport layer and application layer. 19th question. Physical address is done in which layer of OSI model? A. Network layer, B. Data link layer, C. Physical layer, D. Transport layer. Answer is B. Data link layer adds physical address of sender and receiver in the header of each frame. 20th question. In which switching there is no allocation of resources for data transfer? A. Packet switching, B. Message switching, C. Circuit switching, D. Data switching. Answer is A. In packet switching there is no resource reservation. 21st question. Which device operates in physical layer only? A. Router, B. Switches, C. Bridges, D. Hub. Answer is D. Hub is a device which operates only in physical. 22nd question. Following device transforms the telephone network message to internet message. A. Bridges, B. Gateways, C. Switch, D. Repeater. Answer is B. Gateway transfers the information from the internet to traditional. 23rd question. TDM is A. Digital technique, B. Analog technique, C. Hybrid technique, D. Discrete technique. Answer is A. TDM is commonly used for multiplexing digital. 24th Fourth question, in ring topology, which of the following is false statement? A. Undirection traffic. B. Break in the ring can disable entire network. C. Ease to install. D. Robust. Answer is A. Ring topology has unidirection. All the data are moved in one direction. 25th question, combination of multiple topology is called as A. Hybrid topology, B. Mesh topology, C. Mixed topology, D. Combination topology. Answer is A. Combination of multiple topology is called as hybrid topology. 26th question, dotted decimal notation of IPv4 is in the format A. 1111.1011.1101, B. 40.30.4c.1a, C. 128.11.13.14, D. 120.110.80. Answer is C. Dotted decimal format is x dot y dot z dot t, where x, y, z and t should be a decimal numbers from 0 to 255. Question number 27. The network is usually owned by a licensed or government agencies are A. LAN, B. WAN, C. MAN, D. Ethernet. Answer is B. Wide area network extends over a large geographical area which is leased with telecommunication circuit. 28. Dash is also called as store and forward system. A. Circuit switching, B. Data switching, C. Information switching, D. Message switching. Answer is D. Message switching is a technique where store and forward. 29. The connectionless protocol are preferred for dash type of transmission. A. Text, B. Voice, C. Video, D. Both voice and video. Answer is C. Connectionless protocol is designed to stream data. Example, voice over protocol in UDP. 30. Dash layer is responsible for hop-to-hop delivery of packets between two systems of the same link. A. Application, B. Data link, C. Network, D. Transport. Answer is B. Layer 2 uses MAC address and is responsible for packet delivery from hop to hop. 31st. Dash connects two networks that use different protocol families. A. Bridges, B. Switches, C. Routers, D. Gateways. Answer is D. Gateway is used to connect dissimilar networks. 32. The basic unit of Bluetooth system is A. Micronet, B. Mininet, C. Piconet, D. Scatternet. Answer is C. The basic unit of Bluetooth system is called. 33. In OSI model, the network supports layers are A. Physical data link layer and transport layer, B. Application, presentation and session layer, C. Physical data link layer and network layer, D. None of the above. Answer is C. The network supports layers are physical, data link layer and network layer. The user supports layers are application, session and presentation layer. 34. Token bus IEEE 802.4 combines the features of A. Ethernet and data frame, B. Ethernet and token ring, C. Token ring and subnet, D. None of the above. Answer is B. In 802.4 Ethernet and token bus are combined. 35. In dash class of IP address, the first 8 bits identify the network and the remaining 24 bits indicates the host in the network. A is A, B is B, C is C and D is D. Answer is A. In class A, first 8 bits are network and the next 24 bits are host. 36. In email protocols are A. TCP and IP, B. SMTP and TCP, C. IP and POP, D. SMTP and POP. Answer is D. SMTP are used to manage the transmission of email between the server. POP are used to manage the sending of messages to mailboxes. 37. Information sent in both directions at the same time without interference is A. Simplex, B. Half duplex, C. Full duplex, D. None of the above. Answer is C. In full duplex, messages are sent in both the directions simultaneously without any interference. 38. Dash are used when spanning distance is less than 2 or 3 km in connection with computer networks. A. LANs, B. MANs, C. WANs, D. PANs. Answer is A. LAN is local area network with small coverage areas such as college campus. 39. Dash layer in the OSI model is responsible for assigning a globally unique address for every device. A. Data link layer, B. Network layer, C. Transport layer, D. Session layer. Answer is A. Data link layer assigns unique address called MAC address. 40th question. Ethernet is a dash network. A. Unicast, B. Multicast, C. Broadcast, D. All the above. Answer is D. Ethernet can be configured in any of the three modes. If the least significant bit in the Ethernet address is 1, then it is multicast. If it is 0, then it is unicast. And if all the 4 bits address are 1s, then it is. Question 41. 115.168.212.192 is an example of dash IP address. A. Class P, B. Class C, C. Class D, D. Class A. Answer is D. If the first byte is from 0 to 127, then it is Class A. Question 42. The term socket is defined as A. IP address plus modem number, B. Physical address plus port number, C. IP address plus port number, D. Email address plus port number. Answer is C. Socket is the sum of IP address and port number. Socket allows the communication between two different processes on the same or different. Question number 43. ARP stands for A. Address Routing Protocol, B. Address Resolution Protocol, C. Add Routing Protocol, D. Address Routing Path. Answer is B. ARP is Address Resolution. Question number 44. OSI stands for A. Open System Interconnection, B. Open Source Information, C. Open Source Interconnection, D. Open System Information. Answer is A. OSI means Open System Interconnection. Question number 45. The mode of communication where transfer of data takes place in both directions but only one at a time is called as A. Half duplex, B. Full duplex, C. Simplex, D. None. Answer is A. In half duplex, transfer of data takes place in both directions but one at a time. Question number 46. Which topology uses hub? A. Mesh, B. Bus, C. Ring, D. Star. Answer is D. Star topology uses a central control device called hub. Question number 47. There are dash layers in TCP IP. A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. Answer is B. 5 layers are physical, data link, network, transport and application. Question number 48. DNS converts A. IP address to host name to IP address, C. IP address to MAC address, D. MAC address to IP address. Answer is B. Domain name system converts the host name such as www.google.com to corresponding IP address, say example 101.19.12.14. Question number 49. Which class the address 11011110 10110000 01110101 000101001 belongs to? A. Class A, B. Class B, C. Class C, D. Class D. Answer is C. As the address starts with 110, it is Class C. Question number 50. Which of the following is true for TCP/IP? A. It has 7-layer architecture. B. It is a connection-oriented protocol. C. The routing takes place in physical layer. D. Application layer provides a unique MAC address. Answer is B. TCP/IP model assures that data is reached the destination, so it is a connection-oriented protocol. Thank you, students.